Well, here I am out in the middle of fucking nowhere, and I got a rock drill on the tire. This ought to be fun. Yeah, I'm gonna have to back up a little bit, looks like. Well, first thing we gotta do is dig that fucking thing out and see how bad this is gonna be. Toolkit, screwdriver. Okay, that's gonna be a big one. Yeah, that's gonna be a big one. I finally got the rock out. Now I gotta get my toolkit and see if I can plug that fucking hole or not. There. Just reaming a little bit. Let's leave that in there. Let's see here. Big patches. Alright, big patches. There you go. Make sure you put some of that blue goo on there so it does a lot better. Here, let's try this out and see if it works. Alright, I'll pull that one out. Is it gonna seal? No, looks like I need a second one. Second one ought to do it. Reload time. Alright, loaded up for round 2. Let's see how this goes. I don't hear no leaking no more. Good deal. This fucking kit right here has saved me so many road calls. Stuck out here in the middle of fucking nowhere. Oh, that looks like it's gonna be fun. The Blackjack kit for tire. Oh my God, such an amazing kit. I recommend everybody have one of these. Now, let's see here. How much air did I lose? Oh, it doesn't have any air in it anymore, huh? Oh, shit. Guess we're gonna have to figure that out. When it comes to being out here in the middle of nowhere, a driver really should keep an air hose and everything with him at any given time. It sure makes it a lot nicer. And there it is. Not leaking. All aired up. And I beat the fucking storm. I think in total it took me about 20 minutes to fix that flat. That Blackjack Tire Kit will save you a lot of money on the road. You ought to have one.